Welcome back, everybody. In this video we're gonna be checking my Camojojo cell cams, and I want to be perfectly honest with you guys. These cameras totally exceeded my expectations. I was able to get cell service in areas with these cameras that with pretty much all of my other cell cameras I could never get cell service. So that makes them extremely valuable to me, because a lot of our property is in areas where I don't have cell service with most of my cell cams. It's not the case with these ones. I've been extremely happy with them. So we're gonna go down here and we're gonna dump the footage onto my laptop I've got right with me, and we're gonna check out some of the footage that these cameras are taking. I'll turn you back on when we get to the camera. Okay, we're coming up on the trail camera here, and I had a bear that came up and knocked that sideways a few weeks ago. We're gonna go ahead and open this up, and we're gonna use a USB-C cable, and we're gonna dump the video off of here onto there. See, it's taking my video. I have it on video mode right now, so it's gonna be sending me a picture in a second. One of the things that's super handy with this camera too is the camera mount that it comes with. Like right now I want to dump that video onto that laptop. I would have to hold the laptop here with the cable. I can just pop it right out of the hook just like that. It goes in and out super easy.